Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Gaming and DeFi. Today I want to share with you my thoughts about SolChicks, one of the most hyped launches at the end of 2021 I've ever seen. So SolChicks is launched basically on Solana, and yeah, it's kind of a triple A game. Well, it was still in development, but their homepage and their Discord, everything looks amazing. They also um, launched the demo already, which is playable. We can have a look. I played the demo.
This was Chico, our once beautiful planet, our home.
And as you can see, the graphics just looks amazing. That's basically the intro, and that's the real demo. So the game already looks like this. And yeah, as I said, you can play the demo on their homepage. Just have to click here and then you can see for yourself. So the graphic is amazing. The game concept, like with those small chicks, I mean, I love it. Um, yeah, disclaimer, so this is not sponsored content. Obviously no financial advice, and I am invested in SolChicks. I'm holding an NFT and also some tokens from the IDO. So we can scroll down the homepage and you can see those small birds which basically fighting against wolves, as you can see over here. I mean, that's real game footage. So from my point of view, that is an amazing project. And as I said, they launched end of last year, or basically in December, end of December 2021 with the token, and it was really hyped launch. Basically, they used kind of every launchpad. I think it was over 20 launchpad where you have been able to buy the token. And basically everyone who wanted to buy the token already got the token. So we can see the launchpad they used to launch the SolChicks token, or the Chicks token. And the interesting part, as I mentioned, is like they used so many launchpads, and with a very just a 3 month vesting period basically. So all the tokens they sold during the IDO phase was vested to the investor within 3 months. And right now, just have a look at at, at the chart of the token. I mean, as I said, it launched mid of December 2021, and the IDO price was at 5 cents, and it launched at 30 cents. And you can see that little spike. So basically, everyone who did not get any tokens, or not as many tokens as they want during the IDO phase, basically bought this little dip, so it went up, and then they sold off. So everyone who got the tokens said, okay, that's like 6x, 7x immediately, so I sell my tokens, or at least the I think 25%, which, or 10% which they received on IDO, and the price dropped to 15 cents, and then they jumped around a little bit, but it had that downward trend basically. Even that little spike, this was still on this downward trend, and it's going down, down, down all the time. Now we're basically in this kind of bear market right now. So everyone has a risk off phase kind of, and right now we're trading at basically 3 cents, and as I said, the IDO price was 5 cents, so you get a huge discount of 2 cents, almost like 50%, 40% from IDO if you want to invest now. For me, seems like a good opportunity. I mean, we can have a look at the Discord, and then go on the IDO tokenomics, and here you get all the information basically, uh, who had which hard cap or of the token allocation. Um, and here you can see the token allocation, basically saying that 20% of all available tokens are at the team, and 20% were on the sold on the public or the private sale. So, and if we have a look at the vesting schedule, you can see TGA unlock. So on the first day of trading, 25% of the pre-sale was unlocked. For the private pre-sale was 10%. Then you have a 3 months vesting period. So 100% of those who got in at the pre-sale, within 3 months, all tokens are available. And then afterwards, the vesting of the private pre-sale starts, which is a linear over 12 months. So that's a much longer period. And even the private seed did not start. So if we look at this vesting schedule, and you see months 1, 2, and 3, where the public pre-sale is vested, there is basically no utility for the token. So right now you can stake the token at Radium or any liquidity pool, but that's basically it. They had a kind of a farm where you've been able to stake the token, get some tickets, and they run a lottery and you're able to win some NFTs or some. So that's basically the utility. It's staking for now. So though there's no use case of the game whatsoever right now. But the game will, or the alpha of the game is planned to be released in Q1. So you basically saying month 3 is February, and sometime in February or March they will launch the alpha of the SolChicks game. And also let's go to let's stay at the Discord. So here it's Q1, where they say we want to basically release the alpha. And they also mentioned that it probably will be available to breed your NFT chicks and use the chicks token for breeding. And then there will be some other stuff where you will be able to use your chicks token to level up your NFT, and so on and so on. So they will come up with some utility within Q1, Q2, and beyond. So going back to that chart, basically everyone who wanted to get in got in here. Everyone who wanted to get out got out here. I kind of doubt that, or even the team will sell and wants to get rid of the token. Where's the vesting period? There it is. So they have a linear vesting period of 12 months. So it's not like they receive 25% on a monthly basis. They receive like 8% on a monthly basis. So the selling pressure will kind of disappear, and at the same time what I expect is that utility of the token will increase, and therefore the demand of the token will increase. So basically supply selling pressure goes away, demand comes in, and you might see that token to go like this in the future. And as I said, right now we have 3 cents, so it's 80%, 100% at least, or 100% gain, just to come back to the IDO price of 5 cents. If we go back to the 30 cents of the first trading price, basically at IDO, you're looking at kind of 10x, and that's just to go back to the IDO price. I mean, there is more potential, but I think the 100% to 5 cents if you're in this on a long term. I think right now is kind of a good opportunity to get in. Be frank, I'm thinking about to adding the chicks token or more chicks token to the ones I already have, because for me that's just a nice investment case where it makes sense that price goes down when there is selling pressure but no utility of the token, and then the utility will come in, and you see a nice increase of the token. So that's my thoughts on the SolChicks and the enterprise behavior of the token and future potential. Let me know what you think in the comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Um, like it, subscribe the channel. Really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.